In this video, I'll be showing you how to add downloads to Dock on Mac. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Mac you have. So what you want to do is locate the root downloads folder in Finder. So we're going to open up the Finder right now, and then what you want to go ahead and do is look at the left-hand navigation sidebar layout under the favorite section, which is right here, and find the downloads folder. Now what you want to do is click and hold the downloads folder, which mine's going to be right there. Once you click and hold it, just drag it down onto the dock bar. So I'm going to go ahead and click and hold onto the downloads tab. I'm going to go ahead and hold it like so, and then I'm going to move it over to my dock like here. So then once I go ahead and move it over, I should then see it in my download section right here, and then you're going to see all those downloads here. So try and move it all the way to the right, and you're going to see it right here. You're going to see all your downloads. So the same stuff I'm seeing here, I'm also seeing over here in my Finder. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.